Good afternoon, guys, and welcome to another video of Mr. Fix It. In this video, we will be updating a wooden shoe rack that I did for my son a few years ago. So I didn't upload this video because at that time I wasn't uploading videos to YouTube. But now we will be upgrading this wooden shoe rack. This is a shoe rack, and I'm gonna show you a photo of the where was this shoe rack situated. It was on top of a dresser that I made for my son also a few years back. But now I'm upgrading it because he has no more space to put his shoes. You can use this bottom one as the first floor, and this is the second floor. And I'm planning to make a third floor with some of these leftover plywood that I have. Um, it's gonna be 24 inches long and 8 inches in width. So as we go along the video, we will be showing the measurements and how it's gonna be made. So uh, we will use the usual. We're gonna be using some maybe some using some 1 inch screws and this circular saw, of course, my babies, my DeWalt uh, impact and drive screws, my square for some pocket hole for drilling, some for drilling some pocket holes so it won't crack the wood, the plywood, and of course my drill bits. And for sanding my angle grinder with the 50. It's a 50. I know it's a bit harsh, but I'm not gonna sand too much so I don't take much from the wood. And of course, my leveler to make some straight lines so I can cut with the circular saw. And like I always say, let's get to work. As you can see, guys, this is the end product. Uh, I was planning on using plywood on the middle, just as like I did before with this one. But I remember I had some of these small plank woods that used to be in a bed to hold the mattress, and I said, well, let's give it a different look and a different try. And as you can see, it looks very nice. The only thing that's missing is a little bit of varnish to match the one on the bottom. And we have three floors. This is the first floor because this is going to be on top of a dresser, so a small dresser. So this is the first floor, second floor, and a third floor of shoes because my kids is getting more and more shoes, so it needs a little bit of more space. So I said, so why not? Let's make him a little bit of space. He deserves a little bit of space. He deserves it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, please do so. You will help me a lot, help me a ton, so I can keep making these videos in order for you to learn. If you have never done this kind of job before, you can have a base of how to make it easy and cheap. So I hope you have a great evening and good afternoon, and also God bless.